Wait, Nate, what monster truck are you?
A Batman monster truck.
You're the Batman monster truck?
Yeah.
Colin, which one are you?
The blue one.
Alright.
I have some crazy hair.
And you have crazy hair like the guy on monster truck?
I have a super crazy hair.
Super crazy hair?
Yeah.
Alright, gentlemen, are you ready?
Yeah.
Start your engines. On your marks. Get set. Go! Oh, Colin's doing donuts! Donut time! Donuts! Can Nathan do a flip? Jumped over the puzzle! Whoa! The blue monster truck did a flip! Jump over the puzzle. Jump. You're the winner.
I'm the winner. My second. That's camera, Daddy. Our camera's going to broke.
Oh, is the camera going to break?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it will.
3, 2.
Wait.
Look. Got in the next side puzzle.
What monster truck are you going to be?
A green, a black monster truck.
A black.
I the black one. I the black monster truck.
Well, what's your number going to be?
I the Batman monster truck.
Okay.
I can see Daddy.
Yeah.
I can see Conan. I can see Conan. I see him. I see Nathan. I can see.
Alright, are we racing?
No. Not racing.
Not racing?
No, you haven't seen Nathan. You haven't taken a picture of Nathan.
No, we're videoing monster trucks.
No. I the race.
Alright, go race. What monster truck are you?
I'm the black monster.
Alright, Nathan's the black one.
I'm the black one.
And Colin's
The black.
Batman.
Oh, I'm the Batman. What happened in the puzzle?
Gentlemen, are you ready?
No. No, we gotta fix the puzzle. We gotta fix the puzzle, Daddy.
Start your engines!
Oh, no, not yet, Daddy. Not yet.
Gentlemen.
Not yet, Daddy.
Why don't you get ready?
The puzzle's not fixed.
Colin fixed it. Gentlemen, are you ready for Monster Jam?
Yeah.
Start your engines. On your marks. Get set. Go!
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Crashed! Nathan's doing donuts. He doesn't care. Flip! Oh! Oh, he's going backwards. The best backwards driver. All right, who's going to win? Oh, it's a tie.
I won. Let's try again.